Hello everyone, this is going to be a two-part message video. I've been asked, one, to be able to show all the work I've done over the past year since I started doing this. I am self-taught, and along with, like I mentioned in the video before, with Pole Barn Productions, Doug, and Nick Cimetti, I've learned a lot on how to do these things and other YouTube videos that I watch with like Moon Pie Creations and different things like that. I'm not trying to sell myself short by telling you about those guys there, but that was my inspiration to do this. I've always done woodwork one way or the other, but this here was a different way because you can only make so much furniture. So this was a way to branch out, and my bigger influence is Pole Barn. Doug, I love his personality. He's raw. He shows you his mess ups, and he's very humble. And I want to bring that transparency to through myself, obviously, as well, because I feel that is very genuine, and it's comforting to know. So, and also the second part is that, again, well, I'm sorry, I showed on the first part, I want to show you some of the work I've done in the past year, and I've asked where they can find it to buy it. And it is on Facebook Marketplace. It's under John's Creations versus my YouTube channel being called Ortega's Creations. Obviously Ortega's my last name, and John's my first. I decided to do it that way just to keep them somewhat separate. My choice, it is what it is. And so now I'm going to show you some of the things I've made, okay? And that's for the people who've asked for them. So I'm going to snatch you up real quick, and we're going to take you over to the table, all right? All right, I got to flip this around so I can see what I'm doing. All right, this is going to be an upcoming video here. It's a ceiling medallion that I started working on. There's a part of the video already where I've finished coloring the red that's in it. It was my brother-in-law's. He's a handyman, and he had one extra, and he asked if I could do anything with it. So I said, sure, I could probably think of something. So what I'm going to do is, obviously you see it's already painted. I'm going to make this like a chip and dip tray, a platter. So I'm going to cover it in resin. So obviously we'll be touching none of this. And the chips will sit out here, and the dip will sit in here. I am going to raise this up a little bit with no resin, but it's going to be filled in. There'll be a wooden bottom, because the wood on the bottom, or the whatever this is, foam, is ugly. So that's what's going to be coming in an upcoming video. This is a bowl I made, gosh, I couldn't tell you how many months ago. It has, it's teak, cedar, and I want to say, I think it was oak. This is some of the bowls when I first started doing resin. I like this one here, come out pretty nice. I tried to make a Patriot bowl out of this one here. I tried to put some stars into it. And you can see one there, half of one there. A lot of the stars really didn't show up. You got one there and a couple there. But all in all, I think it come out to be a really nice bowl. This one here is all maple. And I thought it'd come out really nice. I tried to do one of Doug's designs when I first started it, and yeah, no, Doug's came out a whole lot better. But it's still a pretty bowl. This one here, I don't know what happened, but the resin didn't, I mean, it worked. It did what it had to do. But I know, obviously I've done better now since, you know, all these here, but. And then here's a pine cone resin bowl. You can see all the pine inside. And then there's the outside here. More of a Christmas color. Well, it is Christmas colors. With the gold metal flake rim. And then we have a cherry bowl here. It's all cherry. And again, I try to do one of Pole Barn's designs. And yeah, no, it is still better. And here's an oak bowl here, which I thought come out really nice. I do like this bowl a lot. It's got some girth to it, so it's got some weight, which is really nice. And then if we come over here, excuse me, we have maple, cedar, and I want to say there was oak in this too as well. And it's a nice bowl again. I thought it came out really nice with the pattern I did. That came out nice. And now we're gonna, I can't say the word charcuterie bowls. I think I got that right. But if I didn't, forgive me. I'm gonna call it a meat tray. I got this one here. It's supposed to look like Ruby's Gold and Emerald going down a river. I don't know if I succeeded or not, but I think it's pretty. There's one there I decided to use the drawer knobs, the diamond ones, be different. I haven't seen anybody else use them, and I figured, you know, I thought it looked pretty cool. It might work. And then there's another one over here I did in the red and blue. Also, with the diamond drawer pulls. This is a mold, sorry about that. I'm hitting things as I'm walking around. Then you have this one here with the brass. It's all resin, no wood. These were in a mold. That's also a mold one. I thought it was pretty cool. I only did one of each because I didn't know how they were going to come out. So unless anybody else wants any more, I might make some more, and I may not. I don't know. This is probably this is my favorite cutting board. Well, it's kind of big, sorry. That's 12 by, I want to say 24 inches. And it's 1.25 inches thick on this one here. And it has all the copper resin on the inside of it like this here. And also on the back side of it, this thing's heavy, is the same way. Just a little different design that goes through it. And then obviously they have the little feet on there, so you're not scratching your counters up or your wooden table up like I have. And by the way, I made this table too. Then you have this one here, which has a back up again. This is a little more thinner. But I try to make this resin here look like granite. And focus, there we go. And I think it looks like it a little bit. I don't know, you can tell me in the comments if you like. But that goes on both sides, obviously. And the feet are on this here too. So people were asking what I've made over the past year. I've sold enough so far. Wouldn't mind selling more, that's for sure. I did forget one, which is over here. Sorry if the lighting gets bad and the focus. But there's that one there too. But, as you can see, that's what I've started. Now I'm going to sit you guys back down and talk to you about the rest of it. Oh, I got to flip you around so I can see you. Or I can see myself, I should say. The second part is to this video here, not only just what people have asked me to see. It's also, I want to find a way to reach if Boy Scouts need a garage that has, you know, tools to do some of the projects, if there's, God forbid, I know there's a lot of kids out there without dads. I grew up without mine, so it's not easy being a son without a father. I'm not trying to be someone's father. I'm not offering that there. I'm not suggesting that. What I'm suggesting is to be a male counterpart with the parent present. If they need in the Boy Scouts, or if it's a school project or whatever it may be in my local area, I have a garage I can help you guys build whatever you need to build. If I can build it, if I have the tools to do it, I can help you. And I would be more than happy to help you. I feel that, you know, my kids are grown. And my youngest went to college. So my boys are gone, my daughters are gone, and I still feel I have a lot more to give. And again, a lot of the stuff I'm self-taught. And I feel really bad for the kids who don't have fathers. And yes, this does go for if a girl needs something too, because girls need these things too as well. It's not just for the boys, it's for kids in general. For Boy Scouts, school project, whatever it needs to do with wood. Or just something maybe you may need to just have it cut just for your house, whatever it may be. I want to be there to help give back, because to me there's not enough Christ in this world, and there needs to be more people helping other people. I've been blessed. I have a garage full of tools. Am I going to say I don't need any more tools? That's a lie. Because I would love to have more tools, but I think every man is that way. But, to be honest, I just want to help somebody else. I know how to do a lot of things. I'm a master of nothing, but I do know a lot. And if not, I do know other people who do other things that I don't know how to do. That I might be able to bring them over and help me out, to help the kid out. Or if it's just a dad, or if it's just a mom who needs help with cutting some wood. Whatever it is, I want to be there to help. I want to be more like Christ in this world, because there's not enough of it. And if there's anybody who watches videos who don't believe in that, well, I'm sorry. But that's something that you have to work out between you and him. I'll be there for you if you need that conversation too as well. But I'm not here for that in this video. But if God permits it and God calls for it, then I'll be that person too as well. I have no problem with that at all. My heart's aching because I feel I have a lot more to give. And I don't know if tomorrow's not promised, so I don't know if I'm going to be here tomorrow or next week. I want to be able to give what I'm able to give while I'm still here on this earth. Okay? So I thank you for tuning in. I thank you for even watching this video. Oh, I was also told for you guys to watch the full video from the very beginning. To say that, and I forgot. So just watch the full video. If you guys don't, well, I feel that you guys might be missing out on something. But either way, it's still your choice. Love you guys. God bless and have a great night. Bye.